Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off beep sound in VMware workstation. Okay, first you need to find configuration file and find this in your Explorer. Okay, documents, virtual machine, Debian 2. Okay, how to look configuration file? Here look like this. VMware virtual machine configuration. Open with Notepad and scroll down and write mkc mkas no beep equals true. Ctrl+S and close and power this virtual machine. I have only 10 GB for local storage and my Linux loading is so long, of course. Okay, let's write username and password and let's make mistake like this, and now we doesn't think sound beep. Thank you for the watch guys, have a nice day.